Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you're fine and studying well. So, now let's continue our chapter number 12, Standard 7, Semester 2. Now, the major portion of the North America country named Canada. North America is the largest continent in northern hemisphere, and Canada occupies a major northern portion of North America. नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर का नॉर्थ अमेरिका जो है वो लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है, और उसमें कनाडा जो है वो नॉर्थ अमेरिका में उसका ज़्यादा पोर्शन कवर करता है। शेयरिंग लैंड बॉर्डर विद द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, उसकी बॉर्डर शेयरिंग बॉर्डर की कंट्री है यूएस। ओटावा इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ कनाडा, कनाडा की कैपिटल है ओटावा। वाइल मॉन्ट्रियल, टोरंटो, विनपिंग and Hamilton are the major cities of Canada. Ice hockey is the national game of Canada. Much of the Canada is covered by ice and experiences severe weather conditions in Canada. Canada has a longest coastline in the world, enjoys moderate to high temperature throughout a year. दुनिया का सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन कनाडा में है। वहाँ पे आबोहवा जो होती है, टेम्परेचर, वो काफ़ी हाई एंड लो जैसी वहाँ पे फील थ्रू आउट ईयर होती है। कनाडा हैज़ अ मल्टीपल इकोसिस्टम्स रेंजिंग फ्रॉम लस फॉरेस्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया, द prairies of western Canada to Trund of the northern Canada. With a large land mass and small population density, the wildlands of Canada provide important habitat for many animals such as the bear, white wolf, deer, otter, beaver, and reindeer. Canada's rivers are famous for Atlantic salmon on the east coast and Pacific salmon on the west coast. Canada's many freshwater lakes and streams are home to many varieties of fish. There are also significant commercial fisheries of many saltwater species. Canada is the world's largest manufacturer of asbestos. Asbestos is one type of minerals, and Canada is one of the largest manufacturer of the world. It is also the world leading producer of nickel and platinum. USA, a federal state, has achieved prosperity in the field of agriculture, trade, and industry. Its geography being extensive and varied. The USA has Rockies and Alpine mountain ranges to the western and eastern directions respectively. Rivers like Mississippi and Missouri and the 5 Great Lakes have contributed. Here the main street of New York, White House of Washington, where US President sit there. Tremendously in agricultural revolutions, due to which cotton, corn, wheat are produced in abundance. The minerals deposit of iron, coal, and mineral oil has assisted in the development of industry. The USA leads the world in the development of transportation, especially roadways, superhighways, and freeways. एक्सप्रेस हाईवेज विदाउट एनी इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टोल बूथ, वहाँ पे कोई टोल बूथ नहीं है। फैसिलिटीज द मेजोरिटी ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रैवल अलॉन्ग विद द मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशंस. These are considerable to be a benchmark of the progress and development of the great nation. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कनाडा का द पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ द नॉर्थ अमेरिका। बेसिकली 52 स्टेट इन यूएस। Now let's see a South America. This is the political map of the South America. South America is the fourth biggest triangular continent in Western Hemisphere of the world. साउथ अमेरिका जो है वो दुनिया का चौथा बिगेस्ट ट्रायंगुलर शेप में एक कॉन्टिनेंट है जो वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में स्थित है। इट कवर्स 30% ऑफ द टोटल लैंड एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। हाउ मेनी परसेंट? इट कवर्स 30% ऑफ द टोटल लैंड एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। The continent of South America comprises of many countries like Argentina. Here is in the south portion Argentina. Then in west side Brazil, east side Brazil, west side here Chile, etc. Then Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela. Geographically, South America is generally considered as a continent forming the south portion of the American landmass. The Andes run down the western edge of the continent, and the land of the east of northern Andes is largely tropical rainforest. The vast Amazon River basin pass through the South America. The continent also contains drier regions such as the extremely arid Atacama Desert. The Central Plains, the extensive northeastern plateaus, and the narrow, exceedingly dry coastal plains. Various types of natural resources abound the country due to its mountainous geography and the extensive forests of the Amazon. Geographically, South America is the far from continent of Asia, Europe, and Australia. Hence, the resources obtained here plays a significant role in the political, social, and economical life of the people of the continent. Europe, Australia and Asia, irrespective of their geographical distance, play a significant role in political, social and economic life of continental areas. The physiography of the South America apparently is seen from different natural sections, mainly Andes Mountains, Central Plains, northeastern plateaus and narrow coastal plains. Andes mountain ranges in South America. The Andes is the world's highest mountain range in outside of Asia. It is adjacent to Panama, south of Horn Mountains, is 8,900 km long approximately. 160 to 600 km wide and 6,000 meter high mountain range. This snow-clad mountain ranges has 6,900 meter high peaks as well. The highest peak of Mount Aconcagua is the volcanic origin, but it is not itself an active volcano. वहाँ पे ज्वालामुखी है, वो ज्वालामुखी एक्टिव नहीं है ये. Rise to an elevation about 6,960 meter above sea level. South America has over 200 volcanoes. How many volcanoes? 200 volcanoes. And Ecuador is the one of the many countries of this continent. It has the most of volcanoes. Example, the Chimborazo inactive and Cotopaxi active volcanic mountains. The Titicaca is the largest freshwater lake of Bolivia, 275-meter deep. It is the highest lake situated in 3,660-meter high altitude in the world. The topography of South America is varied. There are fertile river basins of Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, Orinoco, and the highlands grassland of Patagonia, desert like Atacama, and torrid rainforest. Now let's see water sources of the South America. The origin of the most of the rivers of the continent is found in Andes mountains and eastern highlands. The main river of the Amazon are Amazon Negro, Rio, and Madeira, etc. Amazon is the world's largest river covering distance of 4,827 km. Climate, vegetations and wildlife. Here you can see the picture of the dry land of Atacama of Patagonia. The central part of the continent of Asian South America is in the torrid region. It thus experiences high temperature and frequent rainfall throughout the year. Chile and Peru in the south of continent experiences cold and dry climate due to its neighboring continent of Antarctica. The Howe Mountain ranges, mountainous regions of the Andes experiences snowfall too. The continent has 21% forest and 40% grassland of the world. Brazil and Argentina have torrid evergreen forest, pampas, savanna grassland. Brazil is generally known as the pampas and savanna grassland. The alfalfa grass of pampas is well known. Here the torrid forest. The diversity of animal life in the Amazon rainforest is unsurpassed from the rest of the world. Rare species of the goats and sheep like alpaca and the llama are found there. Whales and seals around the seas. Due to the intense rainfall of the torrid region, the laterite soil of the area become infertile and unsuitable for cultivation. However, the Tara Roxa soil of the Chile, Peru and Colombia is extremely favorable for the cultivation of coffee. Now, agriculture and minerals of South America. 60% of the population is involved in agricultural activities in mere 4.2% of the total agricultural land area. Due to the varied climatic conditions, physiography and soil, the focus of the agriculture is slightly altered from shift agriculture planting cash crops. Thus, apart from a variety of cash crops, vegetables, orchards, horticultural farms developed tremendously here. Here crops like cocoa, coffee, corn, sunflower, linseed and fruits are grown. 90% of the coffee of the world obtained from the countries like Brazil. यानी सबसे ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी कहाँ पे होती है? ब्राज़ील में होती है. Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Argentina, Brazil are the leading producer of the wheat and sugarcane. The mineral like manganese, copper, mineral, oil and coal are also obtained here. Maximum tin and mineral oil are found. 4.6% of mineral oil of the world is obtained from वेनेजुएला। 4.6% से मिनरल ऑयल जो है वो वेनेजुएला से पाया जाता है। सो इन द प्लेन्स ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका, रोडवेज and the trains of Aden Railways link Buenos Aires or to Lima. Waterways like the Panama Canal are the blessing and boon of the countries of North America and Japan. पनामा कैनाल जो है वहाँ पे वो उनके लिए आशीर्वाद समान है, वहाँ सारा व्यापार वहाँ पे होता है। Now say the introduction of the country of Brazil. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Brazil is the biggest country in the area of southern hemisphere and the fifth in the world. ब्राज़ील जो है बहुत बड़ा देश है, साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में दुनिया में 5वां नंबर का देश है। Its length and width is almost the same. Portuguese ruled over Brazil in olden times. Therefore, people speak Portuguese language. वहाँ के लोग जो है पोर्टुगीज भाषा बोलते हैं। जैसे हमारा भारत जो कभी ब्रिटिश का गुलाम हुआ करता था, वैसे ही ब्राज़ील जो है वो पोर्टुगीज का गुलाम हुआ था। It shares border with each and every country of South America except Chile and Ecuador. चिली और इक्वाडोर को छोड़ के वो साउथ अमेरिका सब कंट्री के साथ, नॉर्थ अमेरिका के सब कंट्री के साथ अपनी बॉर्डर शेयर करता है। The Amazon rainforest is an incredibly diverse ecosystem that is home to new species of plants, animal, insect and birds that are discovered every day. Anaconda. Have you seen ever the movie of the Anaconda? It's a snake name. Anaconda. It is a large snake found in here, in Brazil. The maximum number of the people of the country live in the eastern part of the country. Among them, 60% of the populations live in rural areas. Due to industrialization, people move to urban areas. Brasilia is the capital of the country. Now the country is the Argentina. Argentina is situated near Andes mountain. It is triangular shape. Its width half of the length from north to south. It extends till the Antarctica in the south. The warm current blow from the north to south. Pass through the many volcanoes here and make a land cold and dry. Mainly wheat and grapes are grown here. European people are seen more in number. 68% of the people live in the cities and they mainly speak in Spanish. Its capital is Buenos Aires of Argentina. So I hope you understand. One more time you have to read. Now we will learn in the next video about the continent of Europe. Thank you.